that you can enjoy guilt-free. Remember, the next time you're enjoying a slice of watermelon, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're also feeding your body a cocktail of health-boosting nutrients. So, go on, enjoy your watermelon, and embrace the wealth of benefits it brings to your body. After all, good health is the sweetest treat of all.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make a lovely watermelon juice. And I'm going to add a bit of mint to it and a bit of lemon. But it's personal preference. You can add whatever you want to add in it. Look good so far. So I will be using about half of this. The next half, I will just take the skin off. These I will just cut these just to set them aside. These I'm just going to put this on a plate for later. So now we're going to start prep this for our juice. The rest here, I'll just take the skin off. This looks like it's ready now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pass it through a sieve. You don't have to. Personal preference. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Yeah.
Have you ever pondered over the health benefits hidden within the vibrant, juicy flesh of a watermelon? This humble summer staple is more than just a refreshing treat. It's a veritable treasure trove of health benefits. From keeping you hydrated to packing a punch with vitamins and antioxidants, the watermelon is a wellness wonder. Its sweetness belies the myriad of health benefits contained within. So next time you enjoy a slice, remember, the health benefits are as plentiful as the seeds. Get ready to unravel the mystery of this fruit as we delve into the health benefits of watermelon. Watermelon, as the name suggests, is filled with water, about 92% to be precise. Now you might wonder, why does this matter? Well, this high water content means that watermelons are a fantastic source of hydration. In a world where we're constantly reminded to drink more water, watermelons offer a tasty alternative to the plain old H2O. Hydration, as we all know, is absolutely essential for our overall health. It's like the oil to our body's engine, keeping everything running smoothly. It helps maintain our skin's elasticity, aiding in warding off those pesky wrinkles. It helps with digestion, ensuring our bodies can effectively process the food we consume. And it plays a crucial role in regulating our body temperature, keeping us cool when it's hot and warm when it's chilly. So, as you can see, hydration is a big deal. And watermelons, with their high water content, are the unsung heroes in this story. Next time you feel parched, you know a slice of watermelon could be your refreshing savior. Beyond just water, watermelons are a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. Let's delve into this sweet source of healthful nutrients. First up, we have vitamin A, a key player in maintaining healthy skin and eye health. Not to mention, it supports our immune system, a vital component in fighting off illnesses. Next, we have vitamin C, often associated with boosting immunity. But did you know it also plays a pivotal role in collagen production, which keeps our skin youthful and aids in wound healing? Then there's potassium, a silent hero that helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. Lastly, we have magnesium, often overlooked, but incredibly important. It's involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including metabolism and protein synthesis. Thus, indulging in a slice of watermelon can contribute to your daily nutrient intake. It's not just a refreshing treat, it's a nutrient-packed powerhouse. The vibrant red color of watermelon is not just pleasing to the eye, but also a hint of its antioxidant properties. Now, this statement might have you asking, what exactly does this mean? Well, let's break it down. You see, watermelon is a rich source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Picture it like a superhero, except instead of fighting off villains, it's battling harmful substances known as free radicals. These pesky free radicals are produced naturally in your body and can cause damage if their levels become too high, often leading to a variety of chronic diseases. But fear not, our superhero lycopene is here to save the day. It helps neutralize these free radicals, keeping your body's balance in check and contributing to your overall well-being. By regularly including watermelon in your diet, you're not just treating yourself to a refreshing snack, but you're also helping your body maintain its natural defenses. So, a slice of watermelon could potentially be your shield against chronic diseases. To summarize, watermelon is more than just a summer treat. This vibrant, juicy delight packs a punch when it comes to health benefits, offering more than just its refreshing taste. Let's take a moment to recap. We've discovered how watermelon, being 92% water, acts as a hydration hero, replenishing our bodies and keeping us cool during those warm summer months. But that's not all. This thirst-quenching fruit also serves up a cocktail of essential vitamins and minerals. It's rich in vitamin A, promoting eye health, and vitamin C, boosting our immune system. It's also a good source of potassium, which aids in muscle and nerve function, and magnesium, great for bone health. But the benefits of watermelon don't stop there. We've also dived into its antioxidant properties. Watermelon is a reservoir of antioxidants, particularly lycopene, a powerful compound that combats oxidative stress and inflammation. This antioxidant powerhouse can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. In short, watermelon is a symphony of health benefits, disguised in a delightful, juicy package. It's a delicious way to nourish our bodies and promote overall health. So the next time you enjoy a slice of watermelon, remember you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also giving your body a healthful boost.